now. Ready for racing.
Kahit sino pa man ang may kagagawan ng iyong pagkabigo, ay isipin na lang na ang buhay kung
Racing just started. We have Valiente. First to show quickness at the start. Infinite Passion, Bullish Dream. And on the outside is Princess. There is Special Blend. Down on the inside, Hoy Zobrana. While Demolition Jack is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Valiente on its favorite position as the pace setter, maintaining a 5 lengths lead. Bullish Dream in second. Infinite Passion is down on the inside. Moving up now on the outside is Demolition Jack. Princess, there comes next is Special Blend. While Hoy Sobrana now running in seventh as they swing down the back. We have Valiente by about 4 lengths now, and in second comes Demolition Jack. Bullish Dream comes next. Moving up now on the outside is Princess. There and on the outside is Special Blend. That on the inside is entry number 1, and this one is Infinite Passion. While Hoy Sobrana still running at the tail of the field. And at the fourth turn, we have Valiente still in control by about 5 lengths. Infinite Passion now in second. Moving up now on the outside is Special Blend, Evolution Jack, Hoy Sobrana, Princess, Terror, and Bullish Dream. As they swing for home, we have Valiente by about 2 lengths. And on the outside now is Infinite Passion. We have Valiente by about a length. Infinite Passion moving up now on the outside to take the lead. It's now Infinite Passion, followed by Valiente, and finally it's Infinite Passion, Valiente, Hoy Sobrana, close between Princess Derder and Special Blend.
Parang kagaya lang nung kahapon, 1-4-3.